lot of opaque issues. Kuna mambo mengi sana umeweka chini ambayo sisi wahuduma na nyinyi ambao mnatafuta hizo services hatuelewi. If they could come out to the open and give everything, lay everything bare. And the first thing is there should have been public participation, which was not there. Change is not easy, but when you involve people and they own that change, inakuwa rahisi for them to help implement. But because people are not involved, kila mtu ana hiyo shisha ni ya serikali, shisha ni ya nani, shisha ni ya... So, because we don't own the system, that is why it's becoming difficult.
Medication, you have to pay out of pocket. I have seen it with my own eyes. So we are asking, is this a universal health coverage? How does it cover when you are told to put out your out of pocket? So ni swali ambalo kwamba tuliuliza. Sijaona watu wakisaidika. Si kitu ambacho kwamba chasaidia kwa upande wangu. Hivi tunavyoona watu wengi ambao kwamba income yao ni kidogo hawapati services. And most of the services are catered in not only in public, but if we can say private facilities are the ones who are taking a lot. But right now, most of the deliveries are done at home. Most of the patients who have stroke are there at home. Most patients who are have chronic illnesses, they're not coming to hospital. They're at home. So the question is this really helping, or is it something that cannot be demystified? We have a lot of complications. People can be complicated, kwa mikunga, kwa nani. When they come to hospital, it's done. Then on top of it, especially for the surgeries, now that's the problem. They have to wait for pre-authorization. Mtu amekuja for, let's say, emergency cesarean section, you have to wait for pre-auth, and it's an emergency. Or right now, they cannot say to backdate. When the patient come right now, you have to open right now. The moment you have to say, let's help the patient, then we do the reopening, it will say the patient has to pay out of pocket. So it's very difficult for us, especially clinicians. We want to make judgment based as the right time you have to delay. And in terms of delaying, you are losing patients. And that's where we are right now.